Are you eager to explore the vast world of YouTube videos, but unsure how to access them without any user authentication? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use the YouTube Data API to browse public videos without needing to log in. I totally get it. The idea of accessing a treasure trove of videos without the hassle of authentication sounds appealing, right? You're not alone in wanting to keep things simple while still enjoying the content available online. Let's take a closer look at the question at hand. One user recently asked, "Can I make requests to the YouTube Data API without authorization if I only want to browse public videos?" This is a common concern for many developers and content creators. So let's explore this together. So what's the deal with the YouTube Data API? It allows you to access public video data, including search results, without needing user authentication. This means you can retrieve information about videos based on search terms without any login hassle. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to optimize your API requests for even better results. To access public data via the YouTube Data API without authentication, the user should first familiarize themselves with the API documentation. This will provide essential information about the available endpoints and how to structure requests. Next, the user needs to construct a request URL for the API. This URL will include the endpoint for searching videos and a query parameter for the search term. The user should then make an HTTP GET request to this URL. This can be done using various tools or programming languages. For example, using JavaScript with the Fetch API. After making the request, the user will receive a JSON response containing the search results. They can then parse this data to display the video information as needed. Finally, the user should ensure they adhere to the YouTube API usage policies and quotas. This will help avoid any issues with their application in the future. Fun fact, the YouTube Data API is used by millions of developers worldwide to create amazing applications that enhance the way we interact with video content. You're joining a vibrant community. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user explains that you can access public data from the YouTube Data API without authentication. However, you still need to register your application with Google. To make requests, use the following format: get www.google.com/youtube3/search, MIPT and max results 25 and key surfing. Just replace your API key with your actual API key. You can test your requests using the Google API Explorer. Make sure to select Execute without OAuth to run your queries. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the API documentation for the latest updates and best practices. This will help you make the most out of your API usage. And there you have it. You can now access public videos via the YouTube Data API without any authentication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using APIs effectively.